Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Convivial, your favorite Italo teacher. Okay guys, what you want to do today? Today we want to go see a specific ask person say which work will you they do and as you supposed to reply. Okay. Ciao a tutti, mi chiamo Convivial, questo è il mio canale, seguitemi, commentate e condividete se vi piace quello che vedete. Ok, to ask person for Italo which work you will do, we need to talk say che lavoro fai. Ok, che lavoro fai. For instance, now if person call ask me na che lavoro fai Convivial, I will tell am say, na 3 ways I get to answer the person. Is either I tell am say lavoro come mediatrice, or I go tell am say faccio la mediatrice, or I go tell am say sono una mediatrice. Okay? One, you need to use like lavoro come, then you go talk the work. Then the other one, when I talk say, I come talk say faccio la mediatrice. Okay, you see, if you've put that faccio, then you come put the article, then you come put the work where you the work. It depends. The article actually depends on the work where you the work, whether I'm masculine or feminine, and they put the work. So you put the article accordingly. Then the other one will be sono una mediatrice. So you put sono, then you can go put another article again. Now difference between definite and indefinite article. Okay, so who never watch my article video, when you go down, you did there, okay? I know many of our women, they do hotel work, with the other one they call hotel work. What do they call them for Italian language? All those people where they clean inside hotel, they dress bed and all. If you be woman, if person ask you say che lavoro fai and you do that kind of work, you need to talk say lavoro come cameriera ai piani. Okay? Or you get another option. You tell and say sono una cameriera ai piani. Okay? Or faccio la cameriera ai piani. Which is if na woman. But if na man, where they do hotel work, faccio il cameriere ai piani. Or you go talk say lavoro come cameriere ai piani. Or you go talk say sono un cameriere ai piani. Okay, una see as they answer those questions. Okay, now but we can go into different kind of job. How they say talk for Italo. For instance, person where they do bricklayer. What do they call them for Italian language? Na muratore. If for instance now, person where they do muratore, they ask them. Now so those 3 different ways. Now if you take answer, you get 3 options. As we talked earlier, is that you tell the person say lavoro come muratore, or you tell the person say faccio il muratore, or you tell the person say sono un muratore. Okay? But we can list out now many other jobs where person fee get. Okay? For instance, cameriera, it is different for cameriera ai piani. Cameriera, now that one where you go see for bar, where you go see for restaurant, okay? Maybe cameriera. All those one where they serve food, waitress. But what if na man? If na man, he go be cameriere. Then we can go see get cuoco. Who be cuoco? Cuoco na cook. If na man, he be cuoco. If na woman, he be cuoca. Okay. And another one na medico. Who be medico? Medico na like doctor. But some people see they call am dottore. Then if na woman, dottoressa. Okay? But na doctor. The general word na medico. Then we will go see another work will be nurse work, which is infermiera. Infermiera na if you be woman. What if you be man? You can be infermiere. Okay? Infermiera. Depends whether a man or woman. Waiting they call people where they wash plates for restaurant. All those people where they take where they wash plates. Lava piatti. Okay. Wetin dem come dey call bus driver? Autista. Whether na man, whether na woman, na autista. Okay, that one no dey change anything. If na man, na autista. If na woman, na autista. Okay, just like the same way as pilot. Wetin dem dey call pilot? Pilota. Whether na man, whether na woman, na pilota. Okay. We will go again. Wetin dem dey call teacher? General word for teacher like insegnante. Insegnante. What are if person wey dey go school? To go school na still work now. If you person wey dey go school, if you be man, you be studente. But if you be woman, you be studentessa. Okay. What of if you be housewife? Casalinga. Okay. That one too na work. Auntie, na the work wey hard pass for work. Shout out to all casalinga because you know they easy. Okay. If you be casalinga, it means say you be full-time housewife. Okay. Then what do they call barbers? What do they call people where they barb hair? Barbiere. Okay, then they call barber. Then what do they call lawyer? Lawyer na avocado. If na woman, avocatessa. What of if not say barber they different from hairdresser? Barber na barbiere, but what do they call hairdresser? If you be woman, you be parrucchiera. But if you be man, you be parrucchiere. Okay. I know say maybe people come they ask me and say, Convivia, what if you come with meaning of that time we talk say sono mediatrice? Now I dey interpret, okay? But as it be said that they use like cultural aspects for our own too. It not just be say like you need to interpret word by word. No, they say they consider cultural aspect. Now maybe they call us mediatori, like group of people where they interpret like that. They call us mediatori interculturale. Okay, because they consider the cultural aspect of it. But if na person wey be say you just they interpret like word by word, na interprete. Okay, but I be mediatrice interculturale. Okay, guys. Mama tell me for the comment section. Che lavoro fate? I'm gonna answer me for the 3 ways when I show na say that fit the answer person. Lavoro, come, sono, un o una, faccio, il o la. It depends whether na maschile, whether na femminile. Okay, guys. For today, we don't come to the conclusion of this video. Mona, let me know what you think, and Mona remember to always share. And Mona remember say we dey get live video for Facebook by 4 p.m. every Saturday. And Mona always remember say for anything, if you contact me for my WhatsApp number, Mona beg Mona still remember to follow my other platforms, which will be Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Okay, until the next one, stay blessed. Bye bye.